Hi guys, what's up? Fire Hero 101 here, and today we are going to introduce some very important Flamixy characters. Now, you don't know what Flamixy is, so I'm going to tell you. Flamixy is a magical land with planets like Minecraft, Club Penguin, Epics, Flame World, stuff you'll find out later. So stop complaining. Sorry about that, everybody, but we're going to be introducing some characters that might be on my channel sometimes. So, first up, we have, Puppy and Other Puppy. This is Puppy. You probably know him from, two videos. So this is Puppy. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about him. He is probably one of my favorite stuffed animals. Well, him and Other Puppy. I'm just going to show you Other Puppy. So this is Puppy and Other Puppy. Puppy has this ear sticking up right here. Other Puppy doesn't. His ears just stay down. But yeah. So Puppies and Other Puppy are my favorite stuffed animals, and this is going to be a really funny story. Well, you guys are probably asking, why does Fire Hero have two? Why? That's just a waste of money. Well, so basically, one day, I loved these guys. So one day when I was 4 or 3, I was 3, and basically, I couldn't find Puppy. Puppy went missing. He went missing, and, so basically we bought a new one, Other Puppy. I named him Puppy again. This one we bought, I named him Puppy. Actually, no, we did buy this one, but I named him Puppy, the second Puppy, I just named him Puppy, and then I found him. He was just in a closet somewhere, and I found him, so I renamed him Puppy, and he is Other Puppy now. So, yeah, this is Puppy and Other Puppy. They're my favorite stuffed animals. They're going to probably come in Minecraft and real life videos. Maybe Club Penguin if I can find a really interesting thing to do with them in Club Penguin. But I don't know how I'm going to get them in. Yeah. So, anyways, next character. This character comes in some, I don't think anything, but this is just a character I have. It's, Pingy. This is Pingy. So, I don't know where I got him. I probably had him since I was a little baby, but Pingy used to be my Piplup, because he's a penguin. Now, if you notice in this video, you might, and the last video, that I was in my bed, actually, if you've seen Introducing Fire Hero 101, that video, then you would know, you'd probably figure out something by my favorite Pokemon character. But, anyways, so, Pingy he's from Epics. He's a magical penguin that flies and uses epic ice powers. And so Epics is about 4 kids that have that eventually get awesome powers, and similar to Narnia and stuff like that. So yeah, actually it was inspired by Narnia because I love that movie. And actually I read the book before the movie. So I love the book and the movie because they're so similar. They're pretty much the same. I love those things where, the book is exactly like the movie, or the movie is exactly like the book. Those are the really good ones. And then stuff like Percy Jackson. I mean, the movie is nothing like the book. Well, at least my friends told me. I never read it. But, anyways, so, yeah, this is Pingy. He's really cute and cuddly. Yeah, he's not the one I really cuddle with, but he's really cute. So I actually pretend that these guys are real. So I cuddle with them and I feed them I actually don't feed them real food, but I pretend to feed them and stuff and not be mean and throw them. My brother does that. He throws all of his stuffed animals. Anyways, next character. This one I got at an aquarium. It's going to be really cool. I got him at an aquarium. So this is pretty awesome. So if you notice from this guy, once you see this guy, you will know. You will find a pattern that's something that I like. I'll tell you at the end of the video anyways. But anyways, so this guy, he's really cute and cuddly, soft and squishy. Like my friend Chip. My friend Chip. This is not his real name, but I'm just going to call him Epic Pringle or Tasty Pringle or something because he likes chips. Yeah. He just doesn't like his real name. He renamed it. That's his nickname. Chip is his nickname. That's what his friends call him. So Chip is soft and squishy. That's a little side note. But anyways. Wait, get down! You're not supposed to see it yet. Anyways, this is Squeaky Ball because squeak. It squeaks. No, it actually doesn't. That's just what it says. It doesn't actually squeak or anything. It's just squishy. But yeah, it's a ball, and I imagine it squeaking, like going squeak, something like that, like a little puffle in Club Penguin. Anyways, oh wow, this has been running for 6 minutes. I don't know if I'll have time for another character. Anyways, I'll just do it. This guy is from a separate world. He's a hero in his world. Made of apples and fruits and candy. But yeah, this guy, he's got a fluffy tail. He's purple. And he's got a really fluffy tail. And, yeah, so he's from a different game. Like, he's got his own game. Yes, I do. I don't really make games yet, but I imagine myself, when I grow up, I really want to make games and stuff. And this will, if I ever actually end up doing stuff, I will make a game like this. Similar to Flappy Bird. But with this guy. And his awesome necklace. That I did not make. I actually found this on the floor somewhere so yeah. So actually, I've had this guy for a while. He's purple, he's squishy. Oh, I haven't told you what his name is. Flufftail, because it's fluffy. And I'll just show you his voice. Louise! Weird, huh? Okay, but anyways, that's gonna have to do it for this video. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe, or to become a flame, subscribe in the button below. I think it's just like right down there. And more information about stuff about this video will be in the description and down below. And yeah, so peace.